Hello everyone, welcome back to HVAC official channel. 10 biggest HVAC mistakes that can damage your air conditioner. Did you know that many air conditioners fail not because they're old, but because of simple mistakes people make every day? These mistakes can reduce cooling performance, increase electricity bills, shorten the lifespan of your AC, and even lead to expensive repairs, such as compressor failure. In today's video, I'll explain the 10 biggest HVAC mistakes that can damage your air conditioner, why they happen, and how you can avoid them. Whether you own a split AC, window AC, or central air conditioning system, these tips will help you keep your AC running efficiently for years. Let's get started. Never cleaning the air filter. Mistake number 1. Never cleaning the air filter. One of the most common mistakes is ignoring the air filter. As dust builds up, airflow becomes restricted. The evaporator coil receives less air, causing poor cooling and, in some cases, ice formation on the coil. The compressor also has to work harder, increasing electricity consumption and reducing system efficiency. A simple habit of cleaning or replacing the air filter every 2 to 4 weeks during heavy usage can significantly improve cooling performance and extend the life of the system. Ignoring the outdoor condenser unit. Mistake number 2. Ignoring the outdoor condenser unit. Many people clean the indoor unit but completely forget about the outdoor condenser. The condenser must release heat into the outside air. If dust, leaves, plastic bags, or other debris block the condenser coil, heat rejection becomes difficult. This increases compressor operating temperature and reduces cooling efficiency. Keep at least 60 to 90 centimeters of open space around the outdoor unit and clean the condenser coil periodically using safe cleaning methods. Setting the temperature too low. Mistake number 3. Setting the temperature too low. Many users believe that setting the remote to 16 degrees Celsius will cool the room faster. In reality, the AC cools at the same capacity regardless of whether you select 16 degrees Celsius or 24 degrees Celsius. Setting an extremely low temperature simply forces the compressor to run longer, increasing electricity consumption without cooling the room any faster. For most homes, a setting between 24 degrees Celsius and 26 degrees Celsius provides a good balance between comfort and energy efficiency. Switching the AC on and off repeatedly. Mistake number 4. Switching the AC on and off repeatedly. Some people switch the AC off every few minutes to save electricity. This actually places extra stress on the compressor because starting requires a much higher electrical current than normal operation. Frequent restarting also reduces system efficiency and may shorten compressor life over time. If you're leaving the room for only a short period, it's generally better to let the thermostat control the system rather than repeatedly turning it on and off. Ignoring strange noises. Mistake number 5. Ignoring strange noises. An unusual sound is often the first warning sign that something is wrong. Grinding, rattling, buzzing, or clicking noises may indicate loose parts, worn fan bearings, electrical problems, or compressor issues. Ignoring these sounds can allow a minor problem to become a major repair. Investigating unusual noises early can prevent more serious damage. Running the AC with low refrigerant. Mistake number 6. Running the AC with low refrigerant. Some people continue using the AC even when cooling performance has dropped significantly. If the refrigerant level is low because of a leak, the compressor may overheat due to insufficient cooling and lubrication conditions within the refrigeration cycle. Remember, refrigerant is not consumed during normal operation. If the charge is low, the leak should be located and repaired before the system is recharged by a qualified HVAC technician. Skipping preventive maintenance. Mistake number 7. Skipping preventive maintenance. Many homeowners wait until the AC stops working before calling a technician. Preventive maintenance includes cleaning filters, inspecting coils, checking refrigerant pressures, verifying electrical connections, cleaning drain lines, and ensuring fans operate correctly. Regular maintenance helps identify small problems before they become expensive failures and improves overall system efficiency. Blocking airflow around the indoor unit. Mistake number 8. Blocking airflow around the indoor unit. Furniture, curtains, cabinets, or decorations placed directly in front of the indoor unit can restrict airflow. When conditioned air cannot circulate properly, cooling becomes uneven, and the AC must run longer to achieve the desired temperature. Always keep the air outlet and return airflow path clear for proper air circulation. Hiring unqualified technicians. Mistake number 9. Hiring unqualified technicians. One of the costliest mistakes is allowing inexperienced technicians to service your air conditioner. Incorrect refrigerant charging, poor electrical wiring, improper vacuuming after installation, using the wrong replacement parts, or skipping leak testing can seriously damage the system. Always choose trained HVAC professionals who follow manufacturer recommendations and use proper testing equipment. Ignoring small problems. Mistake number 10. Ignoring small problems. Many people ignore minor issues such as water dripping from the indoor unit, weak airflow, occasional error codes, unpleasant odors, or slightly reduced cooling. These small symptoms often indicate developing problems with the drainage system, filters, blower motor, sensors, refrigerant level, or electrical components. Repairing small faults early is usually much less expensive than waiting for a complete system breakdown. Bonus professional tips. Here are a few habits followed by professional HVAC technicians to maximize AC life. Keep both indoor and outdoor units clean. Schedule professional servicing at least once a year. Inspect refrigerant pipes for damaged insulation. Protect the outdoor unit from excessive debris while maintaining unrestricted airflow. Use the correct operating mode, such as cool mode, instead of fan mode, when cooling is required. Pay attention to error codes displayed by modern inverter ACs. These simple practices improve performance, reduce electricity costs, and extend equipment life. Why these mistakes matter? Every air conditioner is designed to operate within specific temperature, airflow, refrigerant, and electrical conditions. When these conditions are ignored, components such as the compressor, fan motors, capacitor, PCB, and sensors experience unnecessary stress. Preventing damage is always less expensive than replacing major components. Proper operation and regular maintenance can allow many air conditioners to operate reliably for well over a decade. Conclusion: most air conditioner failures don't happen suddenly. They develop gradually because of poor maintenance, incorrect operation, or small problems that were ignored for too long. By avoiding these 10 common HVAC mistakes, you can improve cooling performance, lower electricity bills, extend the life of your AC, and avoid costly repairs. Remember, taking care of your air conditioner today can save you a significant amount of money in the future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HVAC Official Channel.